Webhook failures can disrupt your workflow, but resolving them quickly is essential for maintaining efficiency. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and fix Webhook issues on CheckHQ. Step 1. Identify the failure. Check the Webhook logs in CheckHQ to identify the specific error message or status code associated with the failure. This will help you understand whether the issue is related to the endpoint, authentication, or data format. Step 2. Verify the endpoint URL. Ensure that the URL configured for the Webhook is correct and accessible. Test the endpoint by sending a request manually to confirm it is functioning as expected and that there are no typos or outdated paths. Step 3. Check authentication credentials. If your Webhook requires authentication, verify that the credentials, API keys, tokens, etc. are correct and have not expired. Update them if necessary and ensure that the authentication method matches what the endpoint expects. Step 4. Review data format. Examine the payload that is being sent by the Webhook. Ensure that the data format JSON, XML, etc. matches what the receiving endpoint is expecting. Make any necessary adjustments to the data structure to align with the requirements. Step 5. Test the Webhook. After making the necessary adjustments, test the Webhook again to see if the issue is resolved. Monitor the logs for any new errors or confirmations of successful delivery. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to support for further assistance. By following these steps, you can effectively troubleshoot and resolve Webhook failures on CheckHQ, ensuring your processes run smoothly.